Hey guys, I'm Money.
And I'm Toby, and we're here from Noel Leeming Tech Solutions. I'm very excited because today we have got something very special for you. We've got the brand new Samsung 8K QLED TV, and we are going to unbox it for you and show you some of the cool new features. So this is actually the TV legs. One of the really cool things about having them here clipped into the back of the panel is if you decide to mount it on the wall and then you need to move it at some point later on down the track, you know exactly where those legs are. They're clipped right safely in the back of the TV here, and you can just pop them in and you're all sorted. All right guys, we've got the TV on the cabinet here, and I wanted to talk to you about the One Connect box and this really cool cable here, the One Clear Connect. So this cable here is basically all of your power and all of your inputs from the box here straight into the TV. So it's a really clean and elegant solution. And Money here is just going to plug that in and show you just how easy it is to get set up. So it's one connection, it just goes straight into the side of the TV here, and you'll see that there's some channels, some grooves that allow you to run the cable in quite a few different configurations, so quite flexible. We've got the legs mounted here on the wide position, but there's actually another mounting point just to the inside here, so you could have it in a slightly narrower configuration. Basically just choose the solution that fits your cabinet and your arrangement at home, even your style choices. Okay guys, so we've turned it on, and what you're looking at behind me here is beautiful 8K resolution. This picture is magnificent, and it just really shows all of this fine detail in that 8K. It's 4 times higher resolution than ultra high definition, or 4K, and it's really, really obvious to see just how amazing this image is. So there's 3 different models of this beautiful 8K TV. So we've got a 65-inch model, a 75-inch model, and this bad boy back here, the 82-inch model. Now, there's a couple of really cool promotions going on with these TVs at the moment. So first and foremost, if you get in on the pre-order, you're going to get a free Samsung Galaxy S10 phone, and that's coming complimentary with the TV. So the second promotion that there is, when you buy any of these TVs, it doesn't matter what the size is, you're also going to get a free Tech Solutions premium TV setup as well. So that includes a couple of techs heading into your home to set up and install your TVs, demonstrate a couple of the cool features as well, show you how to use them. And it doesn't matter if you want that mounted up on the wall or on a cabinet like we've got here today, Tech Solutions is going to get you all sorted. Not only does this Samsung 8K QLED TV have the highest resolution on the market, but it's also equipped and ready for the future. So it's got a bunch of smart features built in, including Bixby voice. It's got compatibility with AirPlay 2 when that's out later on. You've got Amazon Alexa built in. There's a bunch of cool apps as well. So we're going to get things like Spark Sports as soon as that's live, and it's going to be first on Samsung. So this TV is ready for the future. It's got a beautiful picture, and it's going to be beautiful in your home. So thanks guys, really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. We hope you're as excited about these 8K TVs as us. So we'll see you when we come in to get it all set up for you. Thanks very much.